This is BotBoxer, a first ever robot for martial arts. It can feel velocity and direction of your every shot. It can see and track your moves to spot any hook or jab from you. It will react to move away from your fist and escape the oncoming punch with a velocity unattainable, even for a pro. Start with drills. Choose punching combinations you want to work on. Jab, hook. BotBoxer will be the coach, looking out for mistakes and providing detailed statistics to keep you motivated. Move on to free training. Now you tailor BotBoxer's behavior to your level and goals. Adjust parameters like motion or reaction to make a perfect sparring partner for you. Stay light on your feet to keep up with a moving target and work on your strategy and style. No other tools in the gym can help you train punching power and speed all at once. Now you're ready. Go and fight. Set the level and prepare for countdown. Now your opponent has gotten human qualities and its endurance can run out. So bring on the offense. BotBoxer, your trainer, your partner, your opponent.
All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wicked Bone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wicked Bone is really easy to use. Just download the Wicked Bone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wicked Bone feels just like any other video game. Wicked Bone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wicked Bone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wicked Bone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wicked Bone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets. Charged once for 1 hour, Wicked Bone lasts for 40 minutes in the drive mode, over 4 hours in the interactive mode, and 3 months in sleep mode. The replaceable tires are easy to clean and quick to put together. Simple, smart, efficient, and wickedly fun. Wicked Bone makes exciting days of health, happiness, and play be only one click away from you and your dog.
Ready to be rocked to your core? The new Modern Movement M-Pad turns a ho-hum workout into a live gaming and training experience that boosts your balance, agility, and strength. The new Edge board takes a typical routine and shakes it up with your own digital trainer leading the way. And the amazing free M-Track app makes it all possible. Get rocked to your core with Edge board, M-Pad, and the M-Track app. New from Modern Movement. Sync up, work out, get results.
Did you know that 80% of Americans don't get the recommended amount of sleep? Well, that was me. Tired, restless. For thousands of years, we didn't have friggin' alarm clocks. We woke up naturally. It's about time we do it again. That's why Sleepy was invented. It uses lights, smells, sounds, and science to give you the best night's sleep you've ever had. Blue light technology to help improve your mood? Check. High and low frequency sounds to energize your brain? Got 'em. You smell that? It's citrus. Citrus is scientifically proven to help you wake up easier. And that blue light isn't just a blue light. It's triggering my brilliant brain to tell my beautiful body, hey pal, it's time to wake up. Smart people who paid a lot of money for college proved that sound alone is the worst way to wake up. In fact, alarm clocks are proven to start your day off filled with anxiety. Not only does Sleepy help you wake up, but it's also an invaluable tool to help you fall asleep naturally. Sleepy holds 2 essential oils, diffusing one in the morning and one at night, so that you can have the best slumber experience of your life. So grab your pillow and pledge today for the best Sleepy of your life.
Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm the designer of the award-winning GoCycle electric bike. Some of you may already know a bit about my story and have followed our progress in Europe. To all of our early customers and supporters, thank you for getting GoCycle this far. For those of you that may have just discovered us on Kickstarter, welcome. This is our story. In 2002, I left a dream job at McLaren Cars, and from my one-bedroom London flat, I began to design the best folding electric bike in the world. I traveled the globe pitching GoCycle to all the big bike companies, and they all said it couldn't be done. So I started a company. And in 2009, we launched the iconic GoCycle G1, followed by the award-winning GoCycle G2, and now, the best GoCycle yet, the amazing GoCycle G3. But it's not been easy. Slowly, we've built up our team, and we've worked hard to establish ourselves in Europe. But my vision for GoCycle is global, and that's why we're on Kickstarter. We want to break into the North American market with a new model, the GoCycle GS. Making stuff is hard. Making the best folding e-bike in the world is really hard. You've got to do a load of testing, and I mean a load of testing. Because Mother Nature's rulebook is tough, and there's no undo button in engineering. When you're developing something new, failure and progress go hand in hand, and we've developed decades of experience designing lightweight bicycle parts. At GoCycle, we cook with different ingredients, like our high-tech, injection-molded magnesium frame. And when it comes to innovation, nothing compares to our Clean Drive, which keeps oil and dirt off your clothes. Performance is in our DNA. Our drive system is light and compact. It's 4 times the power density of any other e-bike on the market. I designed GoCycle to be 2-wheel drive. The motor powers the front, you power the rear. That's the lightest possible e-bike configuration you can get, and it means the GoCycle is balanced and easy to handle. But I've saved the best for last. Our patented pit stop wheel. This cool side-mounted design not only looks great, but it means the wheels are quick and easy to remove. Of course, GoCycle is portable, modular, and compact. This is hands down the most versatile e-bike you'll ever own.